We're Ula and Josh, and in December 2022, we sold our house by the sea in Hastings to go in search of a new adventure. Join us as we adjust to living in our new tiny home.
So, east or west? That's the question, isn't it? After last week's news about the lock closures, we turn around to find somewhere to moor up for a while. After all, you've got to go with the flow. Pun intended.
Right, my darling, there is a spot coming up just after the second narrowboat before the wide beam. You want it. Over.
No, I'd say if you can run up to see if there's anything else.
Okay. Roger. Another spot just after the wide beam coming up that probably could fit a 60 foot. Further ahead, not looking likely. Over.
Keep your eyes peeled. If we get some, if you see something, give me some good notice.
Okay, I'll keep running then. I'm not seeing a thing further up, so I would suggest we grab that spot and then take a walk in a bit to see if we can find anything closer. Over. It's time for some afternoon tea in the sunshine. I've just toasted up this scone or scone. We call it scone. Do you call it a scone or a scone?
I call it a scone.
Yeah, me too. And have a scone, some clotted cream and some jam with a bit of oat milk. And Josh is going to check the levels.
I think fancy people call it scones.
Scones.
Call them.
Yeah, we call it scone. Scone.
That distant sound of people mooring up in the distance. Oh my goodness.
He's going for it. Josh is a cream on then jam kind of guy. Same with me. What do you do, guys? We'd love to know. Do you put the jam on first and then the cream? I could never do that. Absolutely no idea.
You guys will know.
Tell us, what do you do? Is it the jam or the cream first? Is that nice? All the little buggies. And that light.
I must get knackered.
Moving that fast. Knackered bugs.
It's interesting now. If you sit and watch, I know it sounds crazy, but if you sit and watch nature, even these, I just noticed those guys are like, they'll go all together like this swarm, slowly, and then they'll all speed up together, and then they'll slow down, and go again. They're obviously communicating and chatting, aren't they?
They all seem to be going the same speed, don't they?
Yeah, like birds when they're in a flock. Right, long bike ride to get the van.
I think I said this before as well when I was chatting to the camera with Josh, but the seat is incredibly comfortable. You can imagine like going over all kinds of terrain on this bike, which it's intended for, which is made, like built for, and never really getting a sore bum, which is a massive bonus when it comes to riding a bicycle. So we usually are off, aren't we, just picking up the van with the bicycle, and we thought that we'd take the Hemiway fat tight e-bike out for a little bicycle ride. You up for a race?
Yeah, I bet you dinner that I can beat you to the ends of here. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I feel like that's probably likely with that guy.
Racing on the white bike, we have the fearless, the notorious Joshy boy.
Yeah, it's a glorious day, so it would be rude not to be honest.
There he is, showing off. He's on the Himiway bike, so he means business. I'm on our Old Faithful push bike. The Old Faithful, I've had it for years, you can hear it creaking about beneath me. But Josh is flying ahead.
Hold on, suckers! After a magical bike ride with my buddy, we made our way home and settled in for a cosy evening.
So we've just had a lovely evening watching videos, YouTube. We've left the lights on, and now, this is boat life in the summer. This is a rookie mistake.
An American lady that asked if there was any bugs on our Q&A.
Yeah, someone asked about that. I'm like,
there's no bugs.
This is ridiculous. I grew up in Australia, so I should know better. We left lights. Oh, look at this side. Oh my God. Oh, it's horrendous. There are so many bugs in the boat. Oh God. Well, there we go, guys. Apparently it gets pretty buggy on the canal. Let's hope that they're not mosquitoes as well.
Yeah, there's mozzies there, look.
What? Kill them, quick! Get them! Pick them up and you put them outside. So
That's what
one of our gurus used to say in India.
Yeah.
You take the mosquito, you pick him up and you put him outside.
It doesn't kill anything. I was like, what about mosquito? And he went, no. You just pick it up and put it outside. I was like, bugger that, I'm killing it. But that's not very spiritual.
Right.
Oh, we're going to get some tickles in the bed, aren't we?
Oh dear, no night. So we've decided that we're going to turn all the lights off, open the door, put a head torch on outside and see if we can just attract them out in that direction. Oh, if any of you know of where we can buy some great fly screens for boats, for narrow boats, please tell us. Oh, that's not nice to look at.
Go away, mosquitoes.
Oh, look, there's some above your head.
Oh, it's so
bright,
this light.
Quick, let's get them out of here. Oh.
Be like the Pied Piper, follow me with
Look,
the
we need
light.
to fix that. That's right. Put that light out there for a bit and let's just get them out of here because this is not nice. Don't worry about that. We'll sort that another day.
Loads outside. Like a horror movie.
Hopefully they'll bugger off. What do we say? Is that going to work?
They're gonna bug her off.
That's it. Right. So we've just tried my technique and we're going to see if we can see them out there. Look at them. Okay, go Josh. Quick. Okay. They've basically gone. Go! Oh, hang on. Your light's still out there, but you can get it.
What? What's happening?
There's a few. There are a few. But it's nowhere near as bad.
Let's get rid of these dead flowers for starters.
Okay, well maybe it did help a little bit. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, they're all back again. Okay, we just need to accept defeat tonight because they're everywhere.
Where's the spider gone? There he is. I got you a right treat. Let me throw you in this cobweb. But he's absolutely buzzing with us. We've got him loads of food. What is a jumper?
I don't like this at all. This is not nice. Okay, well, good night all. Looks like we're sleeping with lots of bugs tonight.
We were lucky enough to borrow my brother's drone for a while. This was a perfect opportunity to capture this absolutely beautiful misty morning to show you guys a different perspective. this happened. Sorry, bro.
Oh, what have you got there?
Oh, hello.
What's that? What's that new contraption of yours?
Oh, this little bad boy.
So we can do washing on the go. You see, we have a towpath here with no space to hang up washing. So
Yeah, last time we done a wash load, it was bloody glorious. I mean, aesthetically, you know, it looked very dreamy.
and so now we've got this guy.
So now I can cruise like this. And hopefully my pants don't fall on my head. We'll see. I hope there's not a storm soon.
Yeah, me too.
I feel like there's one brewing all day.
There's been a lot of crazy weather recently, hence crazy hair. Crazy weather does crazy hair. We're putting out washing because we really need to do washing. I go away in a few days, for a few days, and then away for a long time, and we need to get some washing done because we need clean clothes. So actually, I am going to be going away for work for a few weeks. Got a very cool photography job that's taking me to some very interesting places, and Josh is going to be alone on the boat, so he's going to be left to do the vlogs, and hopefully he'll have a good time. He's going to miss me, I know he is. Yeah, Josh did the last few vlogs. He's doing a really great job, so he can handle it. Of course he can. He's got this. Got to get those bare feet on the ground, get the daily grounding practice in. Get those electrons pulsing through the body.
Them healing vibes, baby.
Healing vibes.
Anti-inflammatory vibes, baby.
Yeah, anti-inflammatory vibes.
If you know, you know.
Right, this is probably the most uncomfortable walk we've got down to our boat ever. Especially because Josh decided to put chicken wire all over this gangplank because of the snow, and it's still on there.
That was for when your mum was coming down. I didn't want her to slip on the gangplank.
I know, you're a sweetheart. Don't mind the nettles. Ugh. Josh likes to live on the edge. I mean, look at that. It's literally on the edge. I could easily fall into the canal. But he doesn't mind.
In theory, most of my jobs have been in the top 5 dangerous jobs in the world.
That's so true.
This isn't very dangerous. But it's very stupid.
It's a beautiful day. That's sunshine. Sunny man. I'm getting back to work.
Yeah, see you in a bit.
You're admiring your washing line.
Yeah.
Clean sheets.
I love clean bedding.
Later that day, we managed to squeeze in some time for something special, and boy was it something to remember. A perfect sunny day for a sound journey with Sika music, culminating in a group of people dancing in the rain.
Good morning, guys. With the nicer mornings that we've been having, I've actually just for the last couple of days been getting into a little bit of a morning routine, being a bit inspired really by other YouTubers that we've been watching and getting back on that fitness, feeling good about ourselves. It definitely makes a difference with this nice weather. So I've been up on the roof chucking out a yoga mat, which I've done this morning, but I've come across a bit of a problem. So currently I've been setting up my mat here, which fits perfectly between the hatch and the mushroom vent there for the kitchen. Nothing really fits on this side in between here or widthways, and then we've got this lovely bit of decking that we use for storage. Pretty much that's all it's used for. We can't push this along because we've got another mushroom vent here and storage boxes. What I thought we'd do is cut this decking in half, put one side of that over this mushroom vent and the other side this side. That way we've got more storage up the front of the boat, out of the way, and then we'd have more space for me and Ula to put a mat out, because that's the problem. I got up there this morning and Ula was like, oh, I want to be up here with you as well, so let's make that happen. Trusty fuel gauge, which I still haven't got round to finishing off. I want to utilise this space. I'm not the best at measuring. A broom width is what I say. Right, broom width.
Hi everyone. Yeah, we measured it with the broom. Did you say that, Josh?
Right, let's shift it across, see if it fits. I reckon it's going to be better, guys.
Happy?
I think so. Yeah, I am, because that fender can go here as well.
Oh yeah, so I'm going to lay my yoga mat out just behind Josh. There's just enough space as well for me to put one here. And so we've got all this space now that we can utilise in the morning. And then you can see it's a bit messy, but we're getting there. Voila.
Right then, that's all sorted. Shall we get working out?
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
See you in a bit, guys. Thank you so much for joining us again this week, guys. And thank you so much to everybody who bought us a coffee. Your generosity means so much to us.
See you next Sunday.